Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0. This one we have to ask because we don't have b square and number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2 and b square. So this one we change by u. The s we change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. And this one we have 3 over 2 and 3 over 2 about u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.